I've had this rail for probably two and a half years. It was all rusted up, so I had it sandblasted. Actually, I spent 2 days torching brackets and tubes off of it. Somebody was happy with a stick welder at one time. But anyway, 4 coats of paint, aluminum beam, nitrous. There's my nitrous switch, line lock, my gauges, dome light. It's really dark at the drag strip at night. Still got stuff to do yet. I got to lower the front, and I got to figure out where I want to put the rear and height wise, and then I'm going to get everything sandblasted and painted. Nitrous solenoids, 90 psi pump for the nitrous. This engine is literally out of my Herbie. I raced this at Killcare a couple years ago. I pulled it out to stick the 1835 in, so I'm going to play with this at first. And here's my charging battery and power. Here's the fuel pump for the carburetor. And this is going to be an alcohol tank. I'll explain more about that later when I got it all in use. I think it's turned out pretty good. Like I said, I got to lower the front, get the rear end figured out, finish putting the engine together, and run brake lines and electrical, and it's finished. I'll keep you all updated.